Threading tool for PPH pipe. Are you in need of a reliable threading tool for connecting pipes? Look no further. This tool, made of a durable combination of plastic and metal, is the perfect solution. However, it is important to note that it is not suitable for PPH pipes. For maximum power efficiency and a secure connection, we recommend using our specialized PPH pipe threading tool. With multiple options available, you are sure to find the perfect tool for your specific needs. Don't hesitate to reach out to us if you have any questions or concerns. Woodpecker's Adjustable Setup Block. The Woodpecker's Adjustable Setup Block is a handy tool for woodworkers that allows for precise and accurate machine setups. It provides a physical reference for achieving critical dimensions, which is essential for woodworking. The block can be adjusted to any dimension between 1/64 and 1 to 3/16, and the easy-to-read scale allows for easy positioning of the reference surface. The Woodpecker's Adjustable Setup Block allows woodworkers to trust their senses of sight and touch to achieve the perfect settings for their cutter height or fence position every time. Henco Pipe Holder. The pipe holder tool is a versatile and practical solution for anyone working with pipes. It makes it easy to hold short pieces of pipes securely and accurately, even during calibration. The unique design keeps the pipe in place, preventing it from turning in your hand and moving out of position. This allows for precision and confidence when working on the pipe. The pipe holder can accommodate different types of pipes with diameters of 16, 20, 26, and 32 millimeters, which eliminates the need for multiple pipe holders and saves both time and money. The tool is made of durable materials, making it suitable for regular use. Overall, our pipe holder tool is a cost-effective solution that ensures precision and accuracy in your work. Klein Tools 40-foot glow-in-the-dark fish tape is a useful tool for use in low-light conditions. The unique clear case allows ambient light to charge the glow tape, providing a bright glow. The fiberglass tape is removable from the case for easy use in one-way wall cavities, drop ceilings, and conduit pass-through feeding. The anchor end features a stainless steel fish rod connector, which allows for the attachment of fish rod accessories and also functions as a SuperFlex glow rod. This fish tape is ideal for installing wire or cable behind walls and ceilings, in mid-range box-to-box runs and branch circuits, or in flexible tubing. Its compact size makes it a great addition to any tool bag. Billatools 9-piece Axle Spindle Thread Chaser Set. The Thread Chaser Set is a tool for cleaning and repairing threads on spindle, axle studs, and wheel studs, featuring grooves for expelling debris. This set includes an extension bar for keeping the axle nut straight and comes in a convenient case for storage and portability. The Thread Chaser Set is a handy tool for repairing thread on spindle, axle studs, and wheel studs. It also includes an extension bar and comes with a case for easy storage and portability. The Drain Blaster is a powerful tool for quickly and easily clearing tough clogs and drains. It uses high-pressure compressed air to blast away blockages, making it more effective than traditional plungers. It can be used on a variety of occasions, including toilet drains, bathroom sinks, kitchen sinks, and floor drains, making it ideal for all kinds of piping. The Drain Blaster is easy to use, with a simple design that allows you to insert the pump into the device, press the air bag, and insert the block drain, and press the air button to clear the toilet or sink. The tool is ergonomically designed with an ergonomic handle, pressure release safety valve, convenient handles and pumps, and buttons. With this tool, you will never have to call a plumber or use harsh chemicals again. Itoalco's All-Jack. The innovative tool that will increase your productivity and decrease fatigue. With the All-Jack, You can easily install pipes, lights, cabinets, drywall, temporary dust barriers, and more. This jack is designed to lift and support the weight of your workpiece while you anchor it into position. High ceilings and ladder work are no longer a problem with the All Jack, which can reach a height of up to 13 feet 6 inches. The industrial gas shock ensures a snug and stable support that stays in place while you complete the installation. Once your workpiece is secured, simply release the shock to remove the All Jack. The All Jack is more powerful than a typical support pole and can handle even the most challenging jobs. Upgrade your tool collection with the All Jack from Itoall Company. Henco Bending Tool. The blue anodized aluminum pipe bender, featuring an angle indicator engraved on the pipe segment for precise bending. The snap closure allows for easy storage, and the bending arm is always properly aligned with the pipe segment, thanks to various left and right hand shaft sizes. The improved pipe clip makes it easy to remove the pipe after bending, while the guaranteed shortest possible pipe radius per diameter ensures precision. This bender has a bending range from 0 to 180 and is available in diameter 16, 20, and 26, making it suitable for a wide range of projects. Upgrade your tool collection with this high-quality pipe bender. Keep your project tools organized and within reach with the C2 Meters heavy-duty floating tool shelf and organizer. Perfect for dual tools with a simple, compact design in yellow color. Mount easily using pre-drilled holes and included hardware. Made from heavy-duty steel wire and plating, it can hold up to 100 pounds when mounted into skids. A great gift for any DIY enthusiast. Protect your handlebars and all the accessories on them with the JIWKR Handlebar Protection System. The only accessory in the world that protects your handlebars when you flip or turn over your bike. It's perfect for protecting your handlebars, screen, smartphone, flashlight, grips, brake controls, fork control, shock control, and saddle control. It allows you to turn your bike over to remove the wheels, put it in the trunk of your car, wash it, adjust it, or fix a flat tire. The compact design allows you to store it in your bag, trunk, workshop, or on your bike. Thank you for watching this video on Top Tech Tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.